Hi, my name is Samantha and welcome back to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. Today I'm so excited to be showing you how to make candied popcorn using Amoretti extracts. Today I chose to be using the cotton candy extract. It's just such a fun popcorn flavor and you can do so much with it. You can color it in fun ways. It's perfect for kids, family get-togethers, take it to a party, a movie night. It's great for any occasion. So let's get started. Our first step is going to be to pop our popcorn. We are going to start by heating up 1/4 of a cup of oil in a large pot. You can use whatever your preferred oil for popping popcorn is. I'm using vegetable oil. Now that we've let our oil warm up a little bit, we're going to test it out with 3 popcorn kernels. You're just going to drop them in there, pop a lid on, and then once those pop, you're ready to put in the rest of your popcorn. So now that our kernels have popped, I'm going to scoop those out and then put in 1/2 cup of our popcorn. Once those kernels start popping, you're going to want to gently shake your pot back and forth. Once the popping of your popcorn has slowed to about 5 seconds between pops, you're going to want to remove it from the heat, and there you have it. Your popcorn's done. You can always sneak a couple for a snack. It's always good to test it. Perfect. Now you are going to want to evenly spread your popcorn out on 2 lined baking sheets. I'm using a silicone mat just so the candy doesn't get stuck. You're going to want to spread it into a single thin layer. And now we can set them aside. Now we're going to make the candy. First thing you're going to want to do is melt some butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Now the thing about making candy is that you can't really leave it alone. You have to babysit it and you have to be constantly stirring to avoid any burnt chunks forming in your candy. Now that the butter is all melted, we are going to add our corn syrup and some water. Now that everything's all combined, you're going to add in your sugar, making sure that you get no sugar granules on the edges of the pots because that'll crystallize your whole batch. Now you're going to want to grab your candy thermometer. You're going to want to bring this to a boil. It should reach between 235 to 245 degrees Fahrenheit. Once you start seeing it boil and get a little bit frothy, you're going to want to add your baking soda. So now we have reached the optimal temperature. You're going to want to remove it from the heat. Now I'm going to be adding 1/2 of a teaspoon of our cotton candy flavoring. You're going to want to stir that in there nice, and now let's add our color. You can make this as colorful or as pastel as you would like. I'm using 1/4 of a teaspoon of some blue food coloring. Now we are going to pour this over our popcorn. Quickly so it doesn't completely solidify. And now you're just going to want to stir and mix it all in. Look at that beautiful color. and it smells absolutely amazing. So now our blue popcorn is done. Let's repeat all of those steps and make a pink batch. And there you have it. That is how you make cotton candy flavored candied popcorn. The great thing about this recipe is you can use any Amoretti extract to flavor it however you want. You could do banana, strawberry, anything your heart desires. Now let's give it a try. So good. The cotton candy flavor is amazing. It really comes through, and that's because it doesn't cook off during the baking process. There is no alcohol in these extracts. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope that you're able to try it at home with your family. If you do, let us know in the comments below what you think. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss any tips and tricks, new recipes, and testimonials from our amazing customers. You can find us on social media as @Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Pinterest. Bye for now.